Welcome back, everyone. It is Casey. I just got back from the gym, so I'm going to make myself some super good RX bar dupes. The normal RX bar I am allergic to because all of them have at least 2 types of nuts in every flavor, and the only type of nut that I'm not allergic to is almonds. I am going to show you how to make good RX bars with almonds instead of 2 types of nuts. These are the only ingredients we need. It's 4 ingredients, so it's super simple, and a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could probably use a blender if it's high powered enough. Now we're gonna let those sit in the fridge for an hour. I'll probably let them sit for a little longer than that, and then we'll take them out and cut them. I did want to mention that you definitely 150% need to use the egg white protein powder, because last time I tried to make these a few weeks ago and I was like, oh, I can just use regular protein powder, but fun fact, it does not work, and I had to add all this almond milk to it, and I tried to add extra dates, and then they just became ridiculously sweet. So moral of the story, go out of your way, go buy the egg white protein powder, because it makes a huge difference. The consistency of the dough is actually dough-like, and you won't end up with too sweet of a taste. I'll let you know what the final verdict is once these ones are out of the fridge, but I think this is looking a lot better than the ones that I tried to make last time. A bite, and the bars are a success. I'm super excited to take these as snacks throughout the week, because when I'm in class I definitely get hungry all day long. So I'll be snacking on these, I'll be snacking on everything that I see. Thank you for following along with me today, and if you want to see more recipes that are good for snack items, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and I will see you next time.